Hi everybody, my name is Mishti and this is
Ocean.
Welcome back to Tata Play Bin's YouTube channel.
Today we are reacting to the teaser of Game Changer. It features Ram Charan. If you guys are new to the ecosystem and you aren't aware, Ram Charan was part of RRR that won us an Oscar last year.
And a global audience.
Yeah. And it also features Kiara Advani. Ram Charan and Kiara Advani are coming back together for the second time for a film, right?
Yeah,
if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And it's directed by S. Shankar, so we're really excited to see how it goes.
वैसे तो राम से अच्छा इंसान कोई है ही नहीं, लेकिन उसे गुस्सा आया तो उससे बुरा कोई बन नहीं सकता.
That's really cool.
That's a sick transition.
ये क्या कर रहे हो?
ये क्या कर रहे हैं? हमें कर क्या रहा है? I am unpredictable.
So of course it's an S. Shankar film, so there's a lot of grandeur in production. Like it's
Especially
produced very
the
well.
music videos.
Yeah, I think there's this one bit where he's with Kiara and this.
Yeah,
look at
this
this
set
is,
looks amazing.
This is so beautiful and like crazy, and there are a lot of times where aage bhi there's a lot of cool stuff happening. Like this is like a fantasy land. There's candy, like no, not candy, but like it's a fantasy land. There's one scene where like the buildings are collapsing and like this is pretty insane. Like this is pretty cool. So of course there's going to be a lot of grandeur, and also S. Shankar has been making films in Tamil for a very long time, and he is like an amazing director. But this is his Telugu film debut with
Really?
Ram Charan. Yeah, so this is the first time he's making a film in the Telugu language with Ram Charan.
But
So,
I mean, I've seen that normally a lot of the movies that he's done up until now have always had some sort of message to it, like maybe
yeah.
Robot or I, for that matter. And even with this one, I feel like there's some political
did you
message.
catch the
Definitely,
Parliament?
yeah. That's why I
Parliament
feel
reference is there.
there's definitely a political message there. I'm actually looking forward to the storyline. It seems very interesting.
They're keeping the theme of the film under wraps for now, but what we've understood is there's this guy who is an amazing being. He's an amazing human being. Just don't make him mad.
Yeah, because-
and there are Easter eggs in the teaser. So there's this one scene where he's reading a book in the library.
It says 30 दिन में गुस्सा कम करने के तरीके, which clearly means he has anger issues. I'm actually looking forward to the music videos as well because it looks so elaborate and
Yeah, I think one of the songs is out now.
It is?
When we are reacting to this,
Okay.
one of the songs is out, and of course music is another very important, crucial part of S. Shankar's films. So that's going to be a big deal.
yeah.
I already love this music here when they're introducing.
तो उससे बुरा कोई बन नहीं सकता.
Like this is so trippy and this is so cool, and the effects and everything. It already makes you feel like you're part of a very cool experience. I think they make the audience feel like, oh, it's not just a film, but it's like an experience, and you get to be part of something cool. So that, and I love when filmmakers are mindful like that. They want the audience to also feel
Experience,
special and
yeah.
have grandeur, because of course the actor here is like this really cool person, but then they're letting the audience be like
A part
you
of
also get
it,
to be,
yeah.
you also get to feel cool like that.
Yeah. So this was our reaction to the teaser. Let us know in the comments what you think about it.
If you enjoyed watching the video, if you enjoyed watching our reaction, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment down below. A nice one this time. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.